And we are back to more Harvest Moon.
Hey, everybody.
So, we're almost to the end of the first season.
Yay.
Alright, let's go find our horse and brush it. I think it's tomorrow we get back our watering can again.
Hope so. Oh, look, you were easy to find.
Could you please don't hammer the horse?
Hey, that's why I'm switching to the brush.
Horse like, oh yeah, brush my ass.
You're sick, Devin. Get off my farm.
Alright, let's go harvest the stuff in the mountains.
Going out harvesting.
Because we are going to buy crops galore next season. Oh.
Boy. Oh.
You have trouble. Is something the matter?
So what do you think?
I want to say the farm, but I also want to say love life.
Okay.
Which would you go for?
I honestly don't know. That's what always kind of stressed me out.
Let's say love life. We're doing well on the farm, and I don't think the farm's really... Hell yeah!
Woo!
Bye! I'll listen. Bye!
Okay.
I think it's just assumed that we'll talk to you about it.
So, we're at Purple Heart. Sweet. For one bottle of wine.
Let's give her another bottle!
That's kind of my thinking. She seems to be the easiest.
She's the easiest... She's actually the most expensive, because you gotta buy her wine. You can't just find random things on the ground to give her to her. She's also, if this is anything like the F64 version, very time restricted. Because if she doesn't have an interest in you, she leaves after the year.
Oh, wow. I don't know if it does that in this one.
I don't know either. Like I said, if it's like the 64 version.
Wow.
Yeah, you have a year to woo Karen. Alright, so let's go talk to the wine lady before that closes.
Yeah, because their timing is stupid as hell.
No one drinks afternoon. You're already drunk by then.
I mean, they're not wrong. Let's check our funds.
We have money. It's like, what, $300 or something?
Yeah.
Yeah. Check our funds. We should be in the thousands still, right?
Oh, yeah. 19.
Yeah, 1960.
1960.
And then we'll get a good 100 and some from... So, I want to go into the next season with at least $2,000.
Mm-hmm. Makes sense. Yeah, let's try and find Karen again.
Hopefully she's just easily right here. She might be at the
It's
store.
either there or in here. And it's usually
Unless she's at the church.
Oh, they have another bag upgrade.
Oh, yeah.
You go see how that much. Yeah, not right now. Yeah, why are we spending a lot of money on you? Don't you try and guilt me. Oh, it's music.
I don't think she's in the church, but...
Hey, Sad Sack. Are you still sad and stuff? Yep, you're still sad. Jeez, Sad Sack, what are you so sad about? Hey, priest.
This is a church, but I haven't done any servicing of late. I live in a different kind of happiness now.
I don't trust you, you freak.
Turn inside. What sins has he committed?
What freaking sins are for? How's that look? Did he kill somebody's baby?
Wow, Cody, wow.
Did he set a house on fire?
Alright, let's just leave and stop accusing Cliff of horrendous things.
Well, if the shoe fits.
We don't have evidence.
We don't need evidence.
Oh, I'm pretty sure you do. If you're gonna make a claim like that.
Eggplant stuff. Let's get
We'll find her eventually. Nope. I don't think she comes to the beach.
It's like, hey Zach, can I come into your house? No. I don't want to.
Check up on the mountain, maybe.
Good idea. Unless she's had the in-game blaster.
A little early.
Never stopped her before.
Yeah, true. Oh, more cutscene.
Well,
There she is.
oh yeah.
Oh, girls like you. You got it all wrong, Rick. Operates me out because of the way you act. Well, what am I supposed to do? Dad left home to search for medicine for Mom, so it's up to me to protect Papa E.
Bullshit!
Hey, don't you pawn her off to someone else, you jerk.
Ow! Burn! Punch him in the face!
We just run in like deck Rick, like right there. Don't worry, we got this.
It's like, just run in and hit him with a bottle of wine. Oh, by the way, here's your gift. Good job, Rick.
Gee, now we gotta go find her again.
Thanks a lot, Rick. This is why nobody likes Ricks. The jerks.
Why don't you go the way that she went?
Which way did she go? Oh,
She probably went that way. No, up towards your farm.
ah. possible she went home.
More probable now.
Damn it, Rick. Why do you have to make things so difficult? Sitting on the bench?
Nope.
No, you're not.
Are you in the house?
Are you in the house?
Yep.
Yes, you are. Right here. Here you go.
Thank you. I like this very much.
Getting your daughter drunk.
I don't think he has a backbone enough to stop you. He's like, alright. Remember, kid, if you ever want a girl, just get her drunk.
But when a girl says no,
No
it
means
says
no. We will fully agree to that. No means no, everyone.
Hey, Granny.
Hello, Cody. It's getting warmer. Every day Stu shows me some bug. I said this already.
Do you have Alzheimer's?
Maybe. You just like leave, come back. Hello, Cody. Every day it's getting warmer.
Yep. Yep. Time for a little niceties.
For once. Hey there.
Hello, Mr. Mayor.
Ah, Cody, you came to visit.
Yep. Bye.
You didn't even talk to me, you jerk.
I
think the mayor does give you like helpful things too.
Okay.
Well, Cody, how's the farm? Getting used to the things?
Brilliant.
Good farming, but I'll do whatever I can about other things.
Oh, you are useless.
Actually, no. If you keep talking to him, like, I think that was just his introduction to like, hey, if you're stuck on something.
Okay.
Okay. Never mind. I know you can come to him. Don't. God dang it, Cody.
I had to.
That's the second mayor you've murdered. Good thing we cloned the bastard.
I didn't kill him. I just chopped off a toe.
No, that was an axe right through the forehead.
Fine. I'll stop killing the mayors. What do you got to say?
Nice weather today, eh? Your animals must be happy about it too.
No, I got none.
You have a horse and a dog.
Oh, you mean Blue and, Lunch? Stop drinking your inventory.
Don't you know? Don't sample your own product. Rule number 1.
Oh yeah, we forgot to be here for Zach. Hi, Zach.
I never take a holiday, you know.
Oh crap!
Except for when you don't come here on holidays.
Yeah.
I want the accessories right away. Look, can't wait. I just let him be, Cody. Just let him go.
Get off my farm, you weirdo.
Let's tend the fields, I guess, for a little bit.
Well, I can't wait until we have the axe upgraded.
Yeah, that'll be the next thing on the list. I'm debating if we want the basket or the upgraded rucksack. That's the next thing.
Yeah. Well, we could also see if we can get an early lead on animals and then start making money that way too.
I'm thinking the fall is when we're going to start focusing on animals. Because winter's going to be really harsh on us if we don't have anything.
Set aside.
Yeah.
Really unbreakable.
Yeah, I don't think we can smack that yet.
I just wasted my time.
And your energy.
Yes, and I wish we had, some form of seeing how much energy we have. Instead of just his actions.
Yeah, that was kind of the downfalls of these, but oh well.
It's like when he passes out and wakes up in the hospital, that's when you know you screwed up.
Oh, there's times for that, so.
Yeah. You're doing a good job on the field, though.
Yes, we are. Like, once we get an axe upgrade, we can have basically.
Should I just leave this or just chop it all?
Leave it for now.
Yeah.
We might be able to water it if we get the thing tomorrow. Yeah, I say we go to bed.
10:20. Nobody's used a lot of energy.
Check the weather. Yeah, we got nothing until summer. Sunny tomorrow.
Of course. What else is it going to be?
Hurricane.
Those are the worst.
They friggin' are.
It's like, we have a hurricane tomorrow. Great, I wasted a day inside. Yay! Look at the TV. Thank you. Yeah!
Rain tomorrow.
Woo! Rain!
Alright, let's go.
Corral the animals.
Yeah.
Let's hope I don't have to play a horse hide and seek.
Well, that's why we've been clearing the field, so horse hide and seek, the horse doesn't have many places to hide.
Nearby.
Yeah. Down.
This way?
Yeah. Now, to the... Okay, no, never mind. Wait, what is that? That's another log. God damn it.
There you are.
Boy, I cannot wait until we can start riding you.
Yep. I don't know if we can ride you around town, but that would be nice.
No, you can't. You can't take them off the farm.
Lame. Come on. Get over here. No. Go. Or turn you into glue.
You're caught on that branch and walk.
Oh, don't pissed at me for that. No. Stop. Stop it! Oh my god, I hate you! You too! Oh my god, this is literally taking me 2 hours. No, stop. You. Come on. Stop it! Come on! You were such a jerk! This is why nobody likes the boards. Oh, you molder. You know what? Great. I'll come back later.
Yeah, we got other things to worry about. Now I'll go to the,
Black.
Yeah.
Smithy. Hey, Smithy.
Hey, the tool you requested is finished!
Another downside right there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just throw a tool through my window.
Hurry up, or else we're gonna miss it.
What could be in the toolbox? Ah, maybe tools. Yay!
Alright, let's set this bad boy up. You might have to fill it up with water again.
Yep. Let's not do what I did the last time.
Yeah.
One. What the hell? Did you fill it? No.
Yeah, I think it empties when you take it to them.
Nice. Let's see this a test. If I'm right. Yeah.
Okay, so it does do the 2 of those.
So now we can just use the whole thing.
Yeah.
That'll give us even more money. No, I'm not bothering you. I'm going to check our money.
What?
Should I or should I buy wine?
Go ahead. We're trying to woo Karen as well, so I mean, come on.
And that's the easiest way.
Yeah. I actually don't know what else she likes. I don't think it's actually very much.
Yeah,
You can probably bring her grapes, but those aren't in season yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're too late.
Oh. Great. Oh well.
Yeah, one day it was you didn't bring me my daily wine. We are so done.
What surprised me with her? I'd like to see what heart level we're at, though. So I'll just go talk to her.
Okay.
Because we're at purple. Or were.
Yeah. There she is. that she's mysteriously gone.
I'd be angry.
Hi, how are you? Yeah.
Hey, how you doing?
Will do.
I need help finding a dead body.
Wow, Cody.
What? She could be one of those types of friends.
I don't think so.
Okay.
You don't have that kind of money.
Oh.
That baby was so cute, wasn't it? Oh, the one you left today? You left today? You said every baby is cute.
Douchebag! Douchebag!
Well, yes, all babies are cute. I really think so. You'll be a good mother. Of that I'm certain.
Ass cancer?
What? I'm keeping this job. Who else in the village can help if you help you like me? I appreciate that, but a child has only one mother, right?
Not necessarily.
Ready? Yes, but you're right. I just came to get my knee looked at. It's been sore lately, but I'm gonna go.
Bye. I wanted to check up, but screw this. No, I do want to check up. Just check energy levels.
Your energy level should be fine after every time you sleep.
It depends on how.
You haven't been working in the rain or really exerting yourself.
That's true. I'd like to know how to get a fishing rod.
I've never taken up fishing in this game, so it'll be interesting, but I don't think you get it until summer either.
Oh. Dang
You
it.
can keep checking, but I know you are right that if it's someone on the beach, will offer you a fishing rod.
Whose boat is this?
Zach's.
What does Zach need a boat?
He takes our produce to different places.
Oh.
Well, you think Zach just eats everything we give him?
Well, he is pretty buff.
I mean, I guess I would explain the Terminator-esque physique he's been carrying around.
Considering all we really make is vegetables. Who knows what he uses them for? Squishing them? Using them for...
Oh, he juices them.
Yep, there we go. Oh, juiced potatoes. Sick. You sicko.
You're the one who thought of it.
I didn't think of juicing.
I thought of juicing, but you're the one who put, like, hey, let's put the potato in the juicer.
I guess I thought it would be gross.
And it was.
Good.
So we learned something today.
Yeah, we're gonna miss Zach today. Unless it can be really, really quick.
I don't think so. It doesn't matter. We should really get to try to get that horse into the barn.
Okay, cooperate this time.
Just keep letting them go down.
Zach, shut up! I'm busy!
Crunch. The dog's dead.
No. Go. What is with you? No. Damn it! There we go.
Did he do, I suppose?
Get in there. How are you?
There he is.
Creep. You already know what's in the toolbox.
Let's go harvest the mountain.
Mm-hmm. Good idea.
Take that! Haha!
Take that. You weird face creep. It's creepy in the mountains at night.
No, you don't say. We didn't make a joke about this like the first episode or two.
Now, little pruning. Amazingly, this is going to be the first time I've ever cleared this field in this game.
Yeah. It's a lot of work, to be honest with you, but
Worth it?
yeah. Like, we didn't even have to do this much so far. But
Ooh, wood. Set to put the
excellent.
yeah, right.
But we should start heading to bed, sir.
Destroy you all.
The last upgrade to the sickle should just be a flamethrower.
That would be amazing. You sleep in the
But with that, though, we'll have to call it here. So until next time, I'm Devin.
I'm Cody.
Have a good one, guys.